As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, here is a list of some of the most expensive cars in the world. 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, 11 million euros, approximately $12.5 million United States dollars. 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail, estimated at $13 million USD. 3. Bugatti Centodieci, $9 million USD. 4. Bugatti Divo -$5.8 million United States dollars. 5. Mercedes-Benz Maybach Excelero, estimated at $8 million USD. 6. Bugatti Veyron by Mansouri Vivere -$3.4 million United States dollars. 7. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster -$3.3 million United States dollars. 8. Koenigsegg Jesko, estimated at $3 million USD. 9. Aston Martin Valkyrie, estimated at $3 million USD. 10. Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio, estimated at $3 million USD. Please keep in mind that these prices are approximate and can vary depending on factors such as customization, rarity, and other market conditions. Additionally, new models may have been released since my last update. It's always a good idea to consult reputable sources for the most current and accurate information on the most expensive cars.